Hello everyone, I'm Steve with Fabron. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you wondering how hair loss can be reversed naturally? In this video, you'll get to know the best ways that can help you reverse hair loss naturally. So, hair loss is one of the most common problems faced by men as well as women today. Hair loss affects an estimated 50 million men and 30 million women in the United States nowadays. We often think that hair loss happens after 50 years, but nowadays we see hair loss starts even at the age of 20 years. It's no secret that hair loss can dramatically affect your self-esteem and confidence. So, in this video, I'm going to go over all the natural ways to keep your hair strong and healthy. First, you need to know that there are different types of hair loss, and whether your hair loss can be reversed or not depends on the type of hair loss you're having. Lifestyle, exposure to chemicals, and hormonal problems are the most common reasons for hair loss. So let's check the most common types of hair loss now. Alopecia areata. This type of hair loss is characterized by a sudden hair loss that starts with one or more circular bald patches that may overlap. Alopecia areata occurs when your immune system attacks the hair follicles. Telogen effluvium. This is a condition in which hair falls out after a stressful experience and most of the time is easily reversible. Anagen effluvium. This is an abnormal loss of hair during the first phase of the hair's growth cycle. Most of the time it's caused by drugs used for chemotherapies or exposure to certain toxic chemicals, and hair growth usually starts again once you eliminate the exposure. The best ways to reverse hair loss naturally. Keep in mind that the major causes of hair loss are over-treating your hair, using harsh hair products, not getting enough nutrients in your diet, stress, skin infection, and immune system deficiencies. So now let's check how you can stimulate your hair growth naturally. A balanced diet. These days, junk foods, excessive sugar, and processed foods are highly consumed, but these foods can affect your hair health dramatically. So the first thing you must do to combat hair loss is to maintain a healthy diet. Nutrients such as protein, vitamin B and C, iron, copper, silica, and zinc are required to prevent hair loss. Eat lots of fruits and veggies to maintain your hair health. Green leafy vegetables, meat, fish, and eggs contain excellent sources of essential nutrients which might prevent hair loss. Spinach is good for hair stimulation thanks to the presence of essential vitamins and antioxidants like vitamin A, B1, K, C, and E. The antioxidants present in spinach help in accelerating hair growth by increasing collagen levels in the scalp. Healthy fats might help you in boosting hair health. Salmon is one of the best sources of protein and also contains omega-3 healthy fats, which might accelerate hair growth. Almonds, peanuts, walnuts, cashews, and flax seeds are also good sources of healthy fats. Add silica-rich foods including strawberries, peppers, sprouts, asparagus, and grains in your diet. Consume aloe vera daily in the morning on an empty stomach. Also, aloe vera helps in restoring hormonal balance and preventing hair loss. Green tea is rich in catechins, which might help in accelerating hair growth as well. Keep in mind that there is no better way to reverse hair loss than with a good diet supplemented with excellent foods and vitamins. Scalp massage. Massaging your scalp with high-quality oils might promote healthy hair and encourage hair growth. It may also help in improving circulation and blood flow. According to a Japanese study, men who massaged their scalps for 4 minutes every day had less hair loss in a few months. I know it sounds crazy, but even if there is a small chance of success, why not give this a try? Avoid oils that contain artificial fragrances. I recommend you choose oils like coconut oil or almond oil. Exercising. Exercising is very important to boost your hair health as it improves blood circulation drastically. Try to flip yourself upside down to increase blood flow to your scalp. It has been proven to be effective to increase blood circulation to your scalp as well. Use dandruff shampoo. If you have dandruff, it can be the reason you have hair loss. In this case, I recommend you to wash your hair twice a week with a high-quality dandruff shampoo that contains ketoconazole, which can reduce hair loss. De-stress yourself. It's advisable to de-stress yourself by practicing meditation. Meditation and yoga not only lower stress, but also improves hormonal balance and reduces hair fallout. DHT, dihydrotestosterone, is responsible for hair loss in some males, and blocking DHT may reverse hair loss. Saw palmetto, biotin, Pygeum africanum, and nettle vertica dioica can reverse hair loss. A few DHT blocking foods are almonds, mushrooms, tomatoes, bananas, carrots, and fenugreek seeds. We also have a very powerful DHT blocker with a very high concentration of these ingredients, so you can check them out on our site. Here's a few more tips that might reverse hair loss naturally. Try to avoid using too many hair products. Rubbing wet hair puts your hair in a more delicate state for pulling it, so brush it carefully. Do not tie your hair tightly, as it puts too much pressure on the roots and causes hair breakage. Avoid using a shampoo which contains sodium lauryl sulfate. High concentration of sulfates may contribute to cell damage and excess stripping away of natural oils and hair proteins. Avoid using hair tools that use high heat. Experts will tell you not to go over 409 degrees Fahrenheit. Above this temperature, the high heat actually begins to melt the keratin in your hair. Also, limit the amount of time the hot tool is in contact with your hair. For example, when using a curling iron, keep hair wrapped around the tool for no longer than 8 seconds each time to minimize damage. Do not hold your hair harshly to avoid extra tension on the follicles. Stay hydrated. Water hydrates the entire hair strand from the inside. Water also removes all the toxins and pollutants which can cause hair loss. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.